Thank you so much for supporting my Barefoot business page on Facebook. I really appreciate it. To show my appreciation, every week I will be giving away one Barefoot book product. All you have to do is watch my little video about the book every Monday morning and then just make any comment underneath the video, and I will put your name into a raffle, draw a winner, and announce it Tuesday morning and send you the product. So today's product is the Barefoot Book of Classic Poems. I chose this because though Barefoot Books has a wonderful selection of books, puppets, games for young kids, I know not all of you have young kids in your life right now. Some of you have liked my page because you're my friend or because you're in my family. So to support you also, this week I'm featuring a book that appeals to adults as well as kids. So this book, Jackie Morris compiled over 70 poems, and she's trying to trace the journey from birth until death. So there are poems that have to do with pregnancy, childhood, young adult, middle-aged, getting older, and dying. And they're beautiful, beautiful poems, beautifully illustrated. It's a hardcover book. You can see the quality as soon as you open it up. So here's the cover. And it's already gorgeous. It already has a poem. So the poems in this book are many, and I can't talk about them all, but it does include poems from Shakespeare, Yeats, Wordsworth, Coleridge, Emily Dickinson, Robert Frost, Dylan Thomas, Lewis Carroll, the Jabberwocky is in here. It's just a spectacular selection. So if you have any interest in this, or if you have a friend who you want to give a gift who would have an interest in this, just comment below and I'll put your name in the raffle. All right, good luck everyone. Have a wonderful day. Bye.